Hello, my name's John, and we're here today for the unboxing of the Luxato hearing aid Max. So they're the Lux Max hearing aids, and we're about to unbox them. I opened the box already because I wanted to make sure that we had the right product. I had several boxes at the same time, and I wanted to finish it on camera. So here we go. All right, so we're unboxing this Luxato hearing aid Max, and this is what it looks like when you get it out of the box. Make sure it's upright. So you come in a package like this, and we pull it open. Now Luxato, I have to say, especially the Luxato Max, this is a very, very premium pair of hearing aids. And that is what it looks like when you open up the case. So you get it first, a beautiful case out of the box, and it feels leather. I'm not sure it is, I'm not positive. But then it comes with its own set of attachments and all of the stuff needed to set up your Luxato Max hearing aids. Now, it looks to me like you have the Luxato Max hearing aids in this case. Yes, and there they are. What a nice looking pair of, and tiny. Oh my gosh, so tiny. So we have those. Then we have, it appears to be a Ethernet, or yeah, it is actually a set of chargers. Why there's two of them, I don't know, but when I do the other video on this, the follow-up, I will definitely let you know. And it looks to me like we have another package of accessories that come in a very nicely, almost jewelry type package, which is kind of very high quality as far as I'm concerned. And what we have in here is the charger and the accessory kit for the Luxato hearing aids. There's the charger. And here's a bunch of the accessories that come with it. Very nice. And they even send different sizes. All in all, this is a really nice kit. It also comes with a set of complete instructions and a cleaning cloth, which will help you clean your hearing aids before you put them in your charger. This is a very, very nice setup. And I have to say, I'm so happy. I'm very happy with this. Now, I'm going to do another follow-up video in 2 weeks. And that video is going to be based on how these work. The quality, the way they fit. But most of all, it's going to be based on how they use, how they work with my wife as she uses them. There's one final note I'd like to say about the Luxato Max hearing aids. And that is, you can take an audiograph and take that audiograph, send it to Luxato, and they can program your hearing aids with the exact results from your hearing test. Program them right in, and it tunes them to each of your ears. That's a unique thing that I haven't seen or heard of yet from another company. It's state of the art, and so are these. And we are going to put them to the test for the next 2 weeks. I'll get back with you then. Until then, you have a great day.